So I'm gonna let you know the ways to upload photos on Google Photos app. So in order to upload photos on Google Photo app, what you need to do is basically you just have to go ahead and make sure to log in from your web browser. Now if you already have an application, then automatically when you take a picture, it will be added to your Google Photo. But then if you don't have an app, then you just have to do this procedure. So go ahead and type in photos.google.com. And when you're taken to their page, what you need to do is to upload this, press the upward icon from the top right, and then you need to go ahead and tap on from where you actually want to upload. Press the phone button, and next thing you just have to go ahead and select whether it's from camera, all that. And that's basically how we can upload photo on Google Photos app. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.